There's probably no more dreaded home improvement project than replacing drainage pipes. You may not want to do it, but if your pipes are damaged, you may think it's the only solution. However, is pipe replacement your only solution? Not anymore. Thanks to pipe relining technology. Instead of repairing the pipe from the outside, pipe relining involves creating a new seal on the pipe from the inside, using a resin that hardens into a new pipe within a pipe. This system is also referred to as a trenchless pipe repair technology because it does not require digging a trench to gain access to the pipes for replacement, saving you time, money, and hassle. Thanks to pipe relining technology, your drains will now have restored structural integrity with a life expectancy of 50 to 100 years. This is basically doubling the lifespan of the pipeline that was already in place for a fraction of the cost of replacing your drainage pipes.